Wagwan, what he do, Wagwan, how you guys doing? What are we doing today? I'm on my way to go meet my friend Dave. We are changing the wheels on his E63s. I think stock he has 20-inch wheels and very, very low tire profiles, right? So, you know the roads in this country are quite shit. So they're really messing with his ride, his tires, and then the wheels themselves. So yeah, we hooked them up with 19-inch wheels. He's downsizing from 20s to 90s, just so he can get a bit more meat. And then we're actually going wider on the tires themselves. So yeah, I'm gonna go meet him now, and then I'll go to the tire shop and have them fitting on the car. Sorry, the potholes on the motorway these days. I mean, I know they are fixing it, they are working. They're actually working really fast, but Charlie, it gets frustrating. You can't hear yourself think on this road, Charlie. I dare you. Do you guys want to see a review on the 2024 Civic? Is that content you guys would be interested in? If you would, let me know. I'll do more of those for you. So if you don't know, I purchase and import cars for people. So usually I have cars on my hands. So if you guys want to see what the cars are like for living with every day, I'm open to doing that kind of content. If you guys want that kind of content, let me know in the comments, and then I'll start doing stuff like that for you. You know, just to help make the decisions if you are in the market for a new car. So yeah, you guys let me know. I hate it when they are spraying the water like that on the road and then you have to drive through it. I've been driving this car without plates. Hopefully the police are not here. Nope. Now later continue. This is one of my absolute favorite roads in the country at the moment. Like, there's a straight enough for you to get up to speed. I mean, there are some two nice curves up top. You know, if you're feeling ballsy. But of course, you have to watch out for people crossing, the bikes, even drivers. I don't know what they are doing. Hey, this guy. Where is boy? We could try the front first. Because yeah, these are 19s of the same style of wheels he has as OEM. We are downgrading, like I said. to 19s because of ride comfort and the longevity of the tires. So here you can see we are moving from the 295s we had before to 305s in the rear, and the 265s we had in the front to 275s in the front. Again, 19-inch all round. You know, we are trying to get that whole I don't know how you'd explain it, but yeah, if you look in the back, it looks beefy. Both front and back, it looks beefy. Hopefully he's able to put power down. The tires are expensive, but you have to expect it given the guy's putting them on. Yeah, so no rubs, nothing. It drives fine. Here they're gonna go take it on a test drive, see how it drives. Yeah. Tire plugs. That's how we have free adverts.
What are you?
Hey, the one you enter so yeah. The two of them are the two of them are I'm not needing questions. It is okay. The way you go hook to. I'm not panic because I got the woo. I see that is all. If you win car, yeah. Oh, Charlie. I got a video. I'll go send for you. The turn and everything you keep.
Just go feel.
Yeah. I mean, it's like one day, but that's a go slow with it. have 305s in the back, and that thing is meaty. It's actually because of people like us that there's so many ramps here. That's too loud. Whoa! Tale, rap na badamo. We are now on our way to AXV. That thing sounds crazy. In the least, it sounds crazy. Oh.
Then tune where he used the car for very long time. So if now he know they get where he's going.
So we don't have the capacity.
Yep, we do not have the facilities or the capacity, so we have to think our future. How is he? Eh? What's wrong with me? Whoa! Charlie Moro.